Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim. This is Kim After 50. On this channel we talk about a whole lot of travel, and we also talk a little bit about what it is like for me as a newly just turned 50-year-old, also newly divorced woman trying to get my whole life together, and create a whole new life for myself when I did not expect to have to be doing that at this point in my life. So I am about to head into the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to bring y'all with me to see what other Dollar Tree cruise finds we can come across in here. I'm coming here because on our upcoming cruise, we will be celebrating Bianca's birthday. And yes, you can pay Carnival to do your room decorations for you so that, for whatever celebration you have, whether that be your anniversary, a birthday, congratulations, whatever, you can pay them to decorate the room. However, you can also save a little bit of money and come to the Dollar Tree and grab your decorations and decorate the room yourself. So I'm at the Dollar Tree right by my house, which is not the good Dollar Tree. It's like a less than a 1-minute drive from my house. But I don't typically come to this Dollar Tree because it's not a good Dollar Tree. However, it looks like it's going to rain, so I decided to just come here. We'll see what we can find. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, but let me know what cruise essentials you spot, and I'll show you what grabs my eye and grabs my attention, and I'll share with you whether or not it's something I use and pack or something I might try in the future. All right, let's go. All right, you have all your like luau type decor, so that would be good for deck parties. If you have a deck party matching that theme, they even have like the neon colors for the neon deck parties. Check out those flip-flops, Catch Me by the Sea. These lock top snack containers are so good. You get three in a pack. These are so good to store anything. I'm thinking particularly jewelry, but anything for $1.25, 3 in a pack. Again, more cups. These are perfect again because if you lose it or have to leave it behind, it's not gonna sting the way leaving your Stanley behind would sting. You have your makeup sponges with the pouch. This is a cute little pouch even if you don't necessarily use the makeup sponge. Really cute reusable zipper pouch. Look at this for your cruise journal. Escape the ordinary. I love that. I am always gonna check the books, y'all, because why not? This Dollar Tree's book section is always a mess, but let's just see what we have. I found this. I think I'm gonna grab this, most likely. Activity books and sticker books for the kids. Look at this, y'all. You got your crossword books, variety activity books for adults and for the kiddos. There's a Nancy Drew Diaries. Who remembers that? Drop a comment below if you remember Nancy Drew. Coloring books. Okay, so here we are to the birthday decor section, grabbing some birthday decor for Bianca. Let's see what they have. Okay, so I'm gonna grab her a birthday princess sash. The happy birthday banner. I'm gonna get the centerpiece to maybe set on the I'm gonna get the centerpiece to maybe set on the vanity. and some fringe backdrop. And we should be good to go with a cute little room, right? All right, I'm gonna grab one of these too. Maybe two of them. All right, here are the totes. And I love this green color. So I'm gonna grab, I think I'm gonna grab a green and a red. I love that green. Really cute. I also have like the bachelorette party stuff as well. Here's another cute little travel journal. This is more like the one Maya carries. Blank pages. Really cute. I think I'm gonna grab this for Maya. And always make a little goodie bag for your children. In my last Dollar Tree video, I shared with you just a simple way to do that. But also just to bring toys. The toys will be new to them. New to them toys are exciting. But also, if they get left behind, broken, forgotten, you're not leaving behind their favorite things. There's some neon necklaces and bracelets and glow light sticks for the glow parties on the ship. For your throw in the bag just in case safety type items. Here is duct tape. And do I even have to go into all the uses for your duct tape? If you don't know, watch my previous weird items to pack for your cruise video. But they have duct tape and they even have the like fancy duct tape. Bungee cord, which is always useful. Here are push lights. They take 3 AAA batteries. Here is all of your first aid stuff. I'm just gonna pan slowly because you know the kind of things you like for your family to have. Here are some small first aid kits. I really just throw this in a larger first aid kit because for the most part, it's just bandages, but different size bandages so that you don't have to buy, you know, multiple packs. You have your Guru Nanda sinus rinse bottles, your chapstick. These are kind of new to Dollar Tree, and this is my first time seeing them in person, so I'm gonna grab. Once again, go ahead and pack your candy so that you're not paying full price or overpriced for candy on the ship. Grab some of these to throw in my suitcase. Get your water flavor enhancers so that you're not having to pay for like a soda package. There's an air freshener. I've told you before, I find these don't work really well in a typical size room, but I think they do pretty good in a cabin. Have your stain remover wipes and the Dollar Tree version of Poopery, which I'm gonna grab all 3 of these. I bought 3 a couple weeks ago. I put one in my suitcase and gave one to Mike. Go ahead and get your sunglasses from the Dollar Tree. Again, so if they get left behind or lost, you're not out of much. They have these cute little kitty flashlights, which could come in handy for the littles when they have to get up in the middle of the night. So spray hand sanitizers, the traditional hand sanitizer, and these cosmetic bags, face, skin, hair, and is there a 4th one? Oh, it looks like that's it. All right, so that's that, y'all. I did not see much that was new that we had not seen before, but I was able to grab some items to add to my essentials bag for travel/cruising. Just in case you don't know, you can scan your Dollar Tree receipts on Fetch. So if you don't use Fetch, I'll add my link in the description box for you to join, and if you join, you'll get some points and I'll get some points for referring you. But it's so easy, so simple to do. And what I learned recently from one of you, so thank you so much, is that you can use multiple of the receipt rewards type programs. You can scan your same receipt on multiple different programs. I'm going to find a couple more to add to my repertoire and go ahead and gather up those points. So far I'm at 25,000. I'll put a screenshot right here how many points I have, and I just started this like last month. So that's going to go a long way when it comes to Christmas shopping, because that's what I'm going to save them up for, is to get Amazon gift cards for Christmas. Now, the other thing that I thought was interesting is that with Fetch, you can make donations with your points to your favorite charities. I know that I did see, was it the American Heart Association or Red Cross and the NAACP on there. So you can scan your receipts, accumulate your points, and then make donations to your favorite charities, as opposed to cashing out and using gift cards, if that's what you choose to do. So again, I'll put my link in the description box, and if you don't use Fetch, I would appreciate if you do use my link, because when you sign up, you take a picture of your first receipt, we'll both get, I think it's 2,000 points. But thank you for coming along with me to the Dollar Tree. I'll see y'all on my next video, maybe someday at sea or somewhere else around this big beautiful world. Bye bye.